Hi! Today we will make Easter egg out of wool. Let's start! Asia Siowo. First, thoroughly puncture the wool into the styrofoam egg, creating the base for the Easter egg. This stage is quite long. I don't want to bore you, so let's move on. Make a bottle of piece of wool. Prick him. Make more petals. Combine them. Add a yellow center. Now make more flowers. Create the leaves in a similar way. Make a shape of a twig on the egg. Add flowers and leaves. Here's a bit of pricking again, but the effect is probably worth the work. What do you think? I recommend you needle felting technique because for me it's just great. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. That's all for today. See you soon!